stay at home. Excellent. Okay, guys, let's rush through today. Okay, we're gonna do it very fast today. Even though we have some new people, but because we are so confident that they will understand it, so they will catch up with us as fast as possible. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are back into our business. Okay. So back into business. So I'm looking at GBP USD 5 minutes. Okay. Follow along with me, right? So this is a box that is drawn here. This box is this hours of 7 to 8 GMT. Okay. 7 to 8 GMT is drawn automatically for you by this indicator here called sessions indicator. Okay. You might have seen a lot of sessions indicator before. This is not different. It's the same kind of indicator. All they do is just mark the start and end of a particular session you want. Okay. So this one is similar to any other session indicator. There's nothing special about it. So on this one, you have the chance to mark 3 types of session. So you can mark Asian session, you can mark Europe session, and also you can mark US session. Okay. So for our demonstration today, let's start by marking the Europe session. So therefore, we don't want to see the Asian session, hence the color is going to be none. We want to see the Europe session, so we made the color purple. And what time do we want to see? We want to see the hours of 9 to 10. Oh, why did you say 9 to 10? Oh, no. You shouldn't say 9 to 10. Why? Hear me. Right. So I said 7 to 8 GMT, didn't I? Yes. Okay. So why do I say 9 to 10 again? Is that not confusing? No. The reason is my broker, IC Markets, is 2 hours ahead of the London time. Okay. So right now, Belfast, you know what time we are now. So we are now at 9 o'clock. That is 9:08 p.m. But if you look at this lady, this market watch here, you see it's already 11:08. Mine is 9:08. This one is 11:08. So 2 hours ahead. That is why we have, instead of 7 to 8, it is 9 to 10. So you will do exactly the same thing on your chart. So look at your broker. It's not where you live, it is the time of your broker. Even though I'm living in the UK, I couldn't put 7 to 8 my time here. No, I will have to listen to this big boss. This is the boss. IC Market or Outforex or FSTM or ANDA, whatever broker you are using, is the one to determine this time. So IC Market said, okay, it's 9 to 10. I say, yes, sir. So I click OK to that. That's all that there is to it for the indicator. Nothing more, nothing less. Great stuff. Okay. So once we've done that, we are done with the indicator. That's it. Bye-bye, indicator. See you next time. So what we need to do now, you need to pick up a line. Okay. You have to put 2 lines, one at the top and one at the bottom. Remember, this is 1 hour in 5 minute chart. Okay, this is 1 hour box in 5 minutes chart. So we want to identify the high of that hour and the low of that hour. That's why we are drawing a parallel box, parallel lines. Okay, so I like to make the lines a bit thicker than that, more bold, because we know what we are doing. All right, hopefully. All right, one at the bottom, one at the top. Okay, so the one at the bottom is the low of the hour. The one at the top is the high of the hour. Your job done. So what are you going to be waiting for, looking for, analyzing? It's so simple. If you are here for the first time, please listen attentively. Okay, so I'm just going to make it bigger so that you can see the magic of the box. The magic of the box. So I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, so I'm going to make it bigger and actually make it like that so you can see. Yes, this is better. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take it slowly for the first time now, just because of the new people, and explain it. Okay. So this is the same box we have talked about. It's 1 hour box. Quickly look at the data window here. Look at the data window here, and I will point to each of the candle in the box so you can know what time it is. Starting with this candle, look at that time, 9:00. Next, 9:05, 9:10, 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, 9:30, 9:35, 9:40, 9:45, 9:50, 9:55, 10. There you go. There is it. There we go. Nothing more, nothing less. So you got the bunch of the 1 hour together, and you find which one is it. This is the highest time. Yeah, this candle make the highest of that hour, and this candle make the lowest low of that hour. So all you do is just draw the two lines, high and low. Done. Anybody can do that. Yes. Oh, Paul, use IC market as well. Great stuff. By the way, if anyone whatsoever wants to use IC markets and you don't have yet, you want a credible broker and you want to use my link, let me know. I will send it. I will just post it to this place so you can have it if you want. Okay, let me know. Good stuff. All right, so now we know now that we have a candle. So what we are looking for is we are looking for a candle that will come out of the box, completely outside of the box, and that candle will not touch the line. So we don't want a candle that is halfway in, halfway out, or the line that is just touching the line. No, we want a candle that is completely outside. So once the box is finished, that is when your job starts. So this is the first candle after the box. You can see it's inside. That is not what we are looking for. The next one is inside. That is not what we are looking for. The next one is half inside, half outside. That is not what we are looking for. We are looking for one candle that is completely outside, and that is it. This is the candle. It is completely outside of the box or outside of the channel, and hence this is what we call a trigger candle. Now that we find a trigger candle, then we go into action. We go to trade, and because it's a breakout to the upside, we are going to buy. If it's a breakout to the downside, we are going to sell. It's not much difficult than that. Okay, so when we are going to buy, we're going to specify a line to say that's our buy line. Okay, just make sure the line is, remember, you are going to buy at the close of the trigger candle, not at the open, not in the middle. Don't second guess what this candle is going to do. This candle can open here and can close under. So if you second guess it, you might be wrong. So you got to wait until the candle is completely firmed. Are we communicating? Yes. Good to be here, Leo. Good to see you. You want to use the IC market? All right, I will find it for you very shortly. Let me quickly describe this first. Okay, thank you for that. So, right, so at the close of this candle, that is when you will go long. Okay, everybody knows that when you buy or when you sell an instrument, either forex, whatever, you got two things to do. One, you need to think about your stop loss to protect yourself, and also you need to think about where you are going to come out in profit. So that is exactly what we are going to do now. So first, where is our stop loss? Okay, because we are buying, these two lines we set is very important to us. The lower line is our stop loss if we are buying. So like now we are buying here, our stop loss is going to be this line. You might add 1 or 2 pips just to give it a space. If you don't add it, no problem, but if you add it, it's an added peace of mind. So now, but assuming you were selling, then this line is your stop loss. Now that you have sold, now you've set your stop loss. The second thing is, where is your take profit? Because you don't want to go into the market and don't know where to come out. because that's one of the problems that some trader may have. So I know one person asked us on the Telegram group that they have difficulty of coming out because they see a profit of $100 or of 100 pips in their favor, but they couldn't come out until they lose all the $100 or they lose all the 100 pips. So, and they were asking how to solve that problem. It's as simple as set a profit target. That's it. Once it take you out at profit target, you'll be happy because you have money in your bag. All right. So now you know your stop loss, and now profit target is exactly the size of this channel or the box, whatever you call it. I call it a box. You call it a channel. Win-win. No problems. All right. Let's find out what is the size of the box. I like the sound of the box. The box. Like a boxer. So the size of the box is, let's call it 21 pips. So now we are looking for 21 pips. Remember that our stop loss is here, so we are looking for 21 pips from this point. That will be our first initial target. So you know, you always want to have your initial target. Come what may, you want to make that TP1 first. And if things goes to your favor, TP2 is available, which will be twice the size of the box. If TP3 becomes available, you will take it also 3 times the size of the box. If TP4 is available, also you take it 4 times the size of the box. But we don't know whether they are going to be available or not. So we start with the TP1. Okay. So your TP1 is 21 pips, as we said. So let's measure it. So we start from here, from the point of entry. We're looking for 21 pips. Did we get it? Ooh, we already 54. So at the close of this candle, right, we already had TP1 and TP2 in the bag. Okay, which means, let me count the candle for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles, each of them are 5 minutes. Okay, no, because you enter here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candles and 5 minutes, that's 50 minutes. So within less than an hour, when you enter this position today on GBP USD, you have your TP1 21 pips, TP2 42 pips sorted, home and dry. Home and dry. Who took this trade? If you take this trade, if you took this trade, oh yeah, let me know. Let me know if you have taken this trade. Just say yes and tell me your experience. Okay, it's your turn to shine. I know a lot of people took it on the Telegram channel. So if you've taken it, let me know. It's time to shine now. It is time to shine. Shine, shine, shine. Okay? It is time to shine. If you've taken it, let me know. Okay? If you've taken it, let me know. Did you take that trade at all? Who's taking it? How much pips were you able to make? How much pips were you able to make from that trade? Okay, how many? 100? Hey, Babu, you said TP1, TP2. Yes, you can. Of course you can. Yes, up to TP5, TP6. Oh, Obi took it. Excellent. All right. Yes, so it is, the hour is 7 to 8 in the morning or 9 to 10 IC market. Oh, Victor, you took it as well. Nkube was great. Excellent. Oh, baby took it. Excellent. Robert took it. Nkube. Oh, yeah, you are practicing. That's fine. Keep practicing. That's practice leads to perfection. Good. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that people are trading this thing live. Okay? Few people are trading it, testing it, but majority, I believe, they are trading it live. Okay, so if you want the IC market, somebody wants the IC market, there you go. Oh, great. OB got 60 pips. Wow, you got up to TP3. Wow, wow. That's good. Good stuff. Wow. Robert, You made it all. Great. That's a good one today. That's a good one today. All right. That is a very good one today. Well done, everybody. Well done for taking that. So Obi got hit to TP3. Wow, that's fantastic. Because we have just measured TP1 and 2. Let's see. Wow, that's good. So we know TP1 is 21 pips. TP1 is 21 pips. We got that. TP2 is 42. TP3 is 63, which is around here. TP4 is how much is that? 84, which is here. TP5 is 105, which is over there. So we got up to TP5. So if you hit your TP3, well done. Even if you hit your TP2, well done. If you only hit your TP1, great stuff. I am encouraged because even TP1 is good money in your account. You're not losing, but you are making money. You are winning. That's why this team is a winning team. Ha! Any question? Any question? Any question? This box is the first hour of Frankfurt Open. When European market open, that is the time we put it. And I think on Friday, if you remember, those of you that are here, I said something. If you can remember that this box, we always try to see that it is formed at a turning point. We didn't know that when we were talking about it last week. Did you see now where it is? So if the box is here, it will be different. If the box is formed around here, it will be different. So why do we always pinpoint it at the bottom or at the top or somewhere there, right? So it is called the magic box, the magic of SBS. SBS magic is going to turn around forex trading. I'm telling you. They said it's complicated. You need 20 indicators to trade forex. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you don't need any indicator. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh man, good to see that people are making money using this strategy. Good. Yes, we can. Yes, we can, Babu. Great stuff. Okay. So, let's look at another chart. Let's look at another chart. Let's look at what? USD chef maybe, or USD Japanese yen. Doesn't matter. We can look at any of them. This is USD chef. So this time around it's going to be faster because now you know what you are doing. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to tell me where is your trigger candle. Okay, so there we go. Whether you are new or you are returning, tell me which one is the trigger candle. Very fast. Okay, so that's the box. You see the box, and this is the line. So candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Which is the trigger candle? Now everybody. Which is the trigger candle? Paul. Thank you so much, Paul. It is great. It is a very good strategy. People that tested it for the first time today, they said they love it. People that have been using it for the last 1 week, they love it. People that have been using it for the last 1 month, they love it. People that have been using it for the last 2 months, they love it. So if it's going to tumble over, is it not supposed to have happened? Yeah. And Kobe 3. Kennedy 2, okay, Executive 3, OJ 3, Adekule 3, Omar 3, Babu 3, Geo Kings, are you coming for the first time? Geo Kings, Robert 3, Aliu, are you coming for the first time? Aliu, Jima 3, that's fantastic. Okay, all right. So let's see why many of us say 3. Well, if you tell me it's 1, you are wrong, because 1 is in the box part of it in the box and part of it is outside the box. If you tell me your answer is 2, I will say it's a little bit wrong. To be polite, to say it politely, it is a little bit wrong, because you can see it is still touching. Yeah, that the high of that candle is still touching the line, and we don't want any part of the candle to touch the line at all, whether it's the low or the middle or the high of it. We don't want it to touch the line. Okay, and the candle that is completely free of the box and of the line is this candle number 3. So if you tell me your answer is number 3, you done very, very, very well. Okay, Geo Skins, not the first time. Okay, you welcome back. Welcome back. Excellent. Okay, so that's our selling point. So here, the first trade we took, it was a buy. Now this is a sell opportunity now on USD Swiss francs. Okay, so we put our sell at the close of that candle. All right, close of the candle. Okay, close of the candle. Okay, that's where we sell from. Okay, so we sell from here, and then we will put our stop loss right above there, and our take profit target. Our take profit target is the size of the box. So let's find out what the size of the box is this time. The size of the box is 19.8. Let's say 20 pips. Round figure. 20 pips. Round figure. TP1 is 20 pips. TP2 will be 40 pips. TP3 will be 60 pips. Yes, of course. Obi, you can join the Telegram group. Why not? Why not? Let me find you the Telegram group. Telegram. Let me find you the Telegram group. Let me find you the Telegram group. I'll do that. Just let me finish this one first. Okay, so now you find out that this, from here, you are looking for 20 pips as your TP1. So let's see if you get the TP1 first, and then we go TP2, TP3. So TP1, did we get TP1? Yes, we got TP1 here, 20 pips. What about TP2, 40? No, we're close. Let's see, do we get it here? No, we were close, but not close enough to TP2. So we secure TP1. Great stuff. At least we got something out of it. Excellent. All right. So good stuff. Good. I think we got there. We got there. Okay. So who wants to see something else? Who want to? Okay, Jokins, yes. Okay, right. Kennedy, 3. Okay, you said 3. Okay. All right. No worries. Okay, good stuff. So who wants to see something else? While I look for the Telegram group information. Let's do that. Let us do that. Anybody wants to see something else? Okay. Okie dokie. All right. So I'm getting the Telegram channel for you now. Okay. There you go. Here is your Telegram channel. So on this channel, yeah, is that the Telegram channel? Yeah, that's the Telegram channel. On this channel or this group, you can download this indicator there for free. The indicator is there for free. So go there and download the indicator. Okay. So also there are other indicators that are there that you can download. So I will not send the indicator via email, but you can go there and download it. Okay. All right. So you want to see China 50 or okay, Dutchmark 30. Okay, let's see Dutchmark 30. Let's see Dutchmark. People have been asking questions. Can we use this on to trade indices? Yes, you can. Okay, let's try Dutch mark 30. Okay, so is this today? Let's see. Yeah, this is today. Oh, it's even better than what we were talking about. Look at that. Look at that for Dutch mark 30. Look at that for Dutch mark 30. Look at that for Dutch mark 30. That's great stuff. Okay, so all right, one more time. Fingers on the buzzer. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. I want 100% accuracy this time. Okay, we're starting counting from this bearish hammer candle. That's number 1, number 2, number 3. Which one is your trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Answer please. 1, 2, or 3. Trigger candle. 1, 2, or 3. Which one is a trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Okay. Executive 3, OJ 3, Robert 3, Omar 3, Adekunle 3, Kennedy 3, Kube 3, Jason 3, Aliu 3, Jimon 3. Okay. Sounds like we are getting hang on this now. So this is number 1. If you say it's number 1, it's wrong, because it's still touch is actually inside the box. Okay, let me show you the box. The box is here, so it's inside the box. Okay, Robert is 3, Die Hard is 3, Paul is 3, Danish. How to enter for TP2? You just set your TP2 target. Okay, so I'll show you now. So now this is this one is the number 1 is inside, not qualified. Number 2 is touching the line, not qualified. Number 3 is outside the line completely. That is our trigger candle. Hence, we are going to go long. We are going to buy. So we are buying at this line. We are buying at this line here. And what are we looking for? As we did before, we are going to set, first of all, this is our stop loss line. Now we are going to set our TP, which is the size of this box. So let's find out the size of this box. That's TP1. The TP1 is, let's say, is 88. Okay, make it a round figure 90. Just make it a round figure 90 so that it's easier for us to calculate it. So 90 pips is our first target. Okay, so from here, so you were asking me, how do you do that? Okay, so let's say you set your first target here, 90 pips, yeah? Then you set your second target. Okay, second target, you set your second target, 90 pips. You set your third target, 90 pips, maybe. And maybe your fourth target maybe is there. Maybe that's your fourth target. Okay, if that is your fourth target. Okay, so you set it manually. So in this case, you may have gone for 1, 2, 3, 4. Split your trade into 4 positions, for example, and set TP1 for the first trade at 90 pips, TP2 for the second trade 180 pips, third trade TP3 270 pips, fourth trade TP4 360 pips. That's 90 pips multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the TP for 1, TP 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so you set it manually. So when the price reaches your TP1 level, let's say you went long and price got to your TP level, you are out. So you make the first move, TP1. Jesus, everything is gone. Everyone is gone. Okay, so let's say this is your TP1 here. Let's quickly do it again. TP3, TP3, and let's say that's TP4 over there. Okay, so when the market gets to your TP1 is taken out. Okay, TP1 is taken out. You move your stop loss to that place, right? Then market move also in your favor. TP2 is gone. Your second trade is gone. You say bye bye second trade. You move your stop loss again to the same point. Okay, market is good again to you. say, where is it? Market is good again to you. Say you're gone TP3. Bye bye. And the last one, which is that, because the price is not there yet. Where is it? Okay, the price is not there. That's it. That place, yeah. Okay, so the price is not there yet. So your last is gonna be here. So your last stop loss will be here. So if this price reverses against you, it will take you out here. So you wouldn't lose anything. You've banked in TP1, TP2, and TP3. You are waiting for TP4. If this price now go close to your TP and reach here, it will take you out at TP4 and all your trade are gone. So that is how to set TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. That's a good way to do it. And I think I'll show you also another way to do it is to use an indicator called, we have an indicator, we call it ATR, okay? Or you can even use what is the other one, which is similar to ATR, which is super trend, okay? So let's try ATR here. Let's see what ATR can do here. So if I insert indicator, let me look for ATR stop. It's called ATR stop. I'm not changing anything to it. I just say okay, okay. So here it didn't catch all the pips, but it catch a little bit here, then the little bit there. So it breaks along the way, okay? So for example here, this way it caught all this trend here. So you can either use this or you just set your manual TP1, TP2 as you have seen people have done already. Okay, any question? Any question, anybody? All right, so let me show you something that was interesting today, okay? I just have to show you this. I hope the guy will give me permission to do that. So this is the Telegram group, okay? All right, so this is the Telegram group. Now I want to show you someone's posted some kind of, so every morning, okay, no, this is the live session. Let me see the guy first before I show what I want to show. Okay, I was looking at, I think either this guy here. Look, this guy is showing that he's using SBS to trade. Okay, you can see this. This is what the person showed on Telegram. I just want to show you guys that people are already using this strategy. And he used this strategy today. As you can see, today is the 12th, right? No, this is the 12th. Okay, that's not today. Okay, let's look at another one. I see another guy. Maybe it's this one here. This another result. This on the 12th as well. Let's see if there's any other one today. So there are quite a lot of good results. Okay, people are posting what result they are getting. Okay, I think this is last week. Okay, let's go down. Let's go to the end of it. Let's go to the end of it. Okay, so let me see. I think maybe it was this one. Yeah, this one. This one. What date is this one? Is there any date here? Okay, this was probably today as well. So these people are using this strategy to, okay, this one is very interesting. It actually marks all the dates for you. Yeah, it marks all the dates for you. It told you what type of trade is doing, and it told you what currency is trading. It told you that it is hitting its take profit target. It also set all its stop loss, so it's not taking any undue risk. And as you can see, this fellow hit all his take profit target, or he make all his trade a winning trade. And you can see the date is today's date. You can see it's today's date. All this is on the Telegram group. So if you want to know more about how these people make their trade, come to the Telegram group. I've already sent it to you, and you can see people are joining the Telegram group. Look at the number of the Telegram group, 799. That's 800. Who's going to make it 800 tonight? Are you going to make it the number 800? You're going to be special 800 number. Who wants to get that badge? Number 800. Who wants to get that? All right. Special. So it's a working strategy, ladies and gentlemen, and people are really making good money out of it. Any question? Okay. How do I join the Telegram group? Okay, it's so simple. I've just shown you the Telegram group. To join it, all you need to do is just click this link. No, not that link. Not that one. All right, this link here. All right, all you got to do to become a member of that exclusive club, okay, to become a member of that exclusive club, all you got to do is so simple. Just click that link. So okay, let me show you one more time, because people ask me, how do I get the indicator? Okay, so once you come into the Telegram group, you go to files. So there are 95 files there. This is the first one here. The indicator we are using tonight is here. So just come here and click download. Then from there you start, from there you start using it. If you have any question, see, a lot of people are here to answer your questions. So we have people that are ready to answer. Nikki is always there to help. Ade is there to help. Robert is also there to help. Majid is helping a lot of people. So come on board, and these guys will help you. You will not see me that often making a lot of comment, because I want you guys to do it for yourself. Once you learn a skill for life. You don't lose it anymore. It is yours, and it is yours forever. So I would rather have you know it by yourself, understand it, make it yours. That's perfect. Okay, great stuff. Any question? Does this strategy work with New York Open? You are in Canada. You miss London Open. Yes. Okay, let's do that now. All right, let's do that before we close today. Okay, so all right, so today let's use so we adjust our box. We adjust the indicator to cater for the other session. So let's make it cater for Asian session. So we set it to any color we like. Asian session, we always say 2 to 3. 2 to 3. For the US session, let's change the color to what color do we want to use this time? Let's change it to plum, whatever, plum, if it makes sense. Okay. So let's make it 13 to 14, right? 13 to 14. Okay, so in that case we are going to put Asian session 2 to 3. That's color. Europe is already there, purple, and American plum. Okay, there you go. Okay, that is the three session for you. So for this little Dutch mark today, if you've gone for 3 type of sessions, you will even make much gain than even one session, because here you could have make a good profit selling Dutch mark, right? You could have made solid profit, selling Dutch mark at the Asian market. So at the Asian Open, after the 1 hour, you sell Dutch mark. See, you make TP1, 2, maybe TP1 and 2 here. Then you move again to Europe Open. Yeah, you go to Europe Open. You say, oh my, I'm not satisfied. For Europe Open, you make your TP1, TP2. You move your shop again to American session. You move your shop to American session. You break over here, TP1, TP2. Maybe you are waiting for TP3 to hit. So for the 3 session strategy, it works perfectly for this Dutch mark 30 today. Okay, I'm not saying you are going to get this all the time. Even for one session, you may not get the same chart all the time, but of course it's going to be very close. Look at the places we put our box. This is low of that area of that time, low of that time, about low of that time. So it seems the box is, you can see, even after this box, the market came to retest that same line that we have dropped our box in. So the market came back to test almost exactly the same plot where our line is. So it's a significant way of trading. Any questions, anybody today? How many pairs do we use for it? It's an open debate, okay? It's an open debate. So experiment with as many pairs as you want to. Initially, it was actually meant for one pair, which is this GBP USD. But as you can see, a lot of people have used it for different things. This one is USD Chef. This is USD Japanese Yen. So this is 3 sessions for that. This is Euro USD today. You can see TP1 hit there, TP1 hit there, TP1, 2, 3, 4 hit over there. You go to Australian US dollar. Is this today? Let's make sure we are looking at today. Here, you probably hit your maybe TP1 or break even trade first. TP1, TP2, TP1, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Okay. No cherry picking, we are just going by the chart. Here, you will, if you draw your line, you see you enter a buy position after the break of this line. It will be TP1 here, you make your TP1 here, you make TP1, 2, and 3. So that is how you can check. So you can do that yourself. Just put the box at the appropriate place and check how they stack out. Okay, see? Right at the top. Why is our box always at the top? I don't know why. Why is the box always at the top? That's why we call it a magic box. Ladies and gentlemen, you are missing out. If you have not joined the Telegram group, you are missing out, because you can see quite a lot of people on this group here. Let's see how many we are now. 805. So it's rising very fast. So if you are not there, you know, can you imagine 800 people trading one single strategy? I don't know how many places on the internet you will see that. You see, and this is not giving you part of the strategy, hiding the remaining. No. Giving you everything you need to know to be successful. All right? Good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. So let me announce the biggest one that is coming very soon. Which I've already, you know, I think some of you have already heard of it. So we are going to move ourselves into another level very soon. Okay, it's going to be in a very short period. I'm talking of maybe few weeks, or very soon it will become days. We're going to move ourselves to this big platform here. It's yourtradementor.com. So that's me there. We're going to move here. And what we are going to do there will be phenomenal. So when the time comes, I don't want any of you to miss out. So I'll make it as easy as possible. Just like you join the Telegram group, I will make it the easiest for you to join this place. Okay? Because it will be fantastic. All right? And a lot of people will join. So here we will have 3 type of packages. Okay? We call one the silver, we call one the gold, and we call the other one the diamond. Okay, so for the silver package, there are a lot of stuff there. You have complete tutorial videos. You have 3 powerful trading strategies. You got to do fundamental and technical trade analysis. You can watch as long unlimited number of videos you want, which is already uploaded. And the strategies, you can download indicators and trading strategies for the gold package. On top of all that, you have a 2 hours mentorship. So if you are a trader, you know, you just want a brief touch of mentorship to get you right into where you need to be. So you get 2 hours mentorship, which we are going to focus on how we are going to choose a strategy that will fit you. You know, one size does not fit all. So one strategy will work for Mr. A, another strategy same strategy might not work for Mrs. B, okay, or Miss B. So you need just a touch up. But you might be this person, you know, you just want a complete, you know, understanding of forex, and you want a thorough mentorship, you know. So 6 solid hours, and you will determine when you want the mentorship to take place. So you will log into your portal, and then when you get into your portal, you will choose the time that suits you. And the mentor also will have put their timetable there. You look at the timetable, the calendar, you pick the right calendar. Okay, so when the time comes, ladies and gentlemen, I will make a video and I will tell you right the way I'm telling you now. But for now, it is not ready yet, so don't go there yet. I know we're all dying to get there. All right, so that is about that. Any question? Anybody wants to see something else? Anybody wants to see something else? Okay, why do you only you want to see USA 30? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it is a powerful strategy. Yes, it's a peep buster strategy. You can see I just shown you all the people that posted. Even those people, they haven't asked me to show their details or their record. I just showed it so that everybody will know that this is real. This is real. You know, you can go to other places where something is being hidden for people, but no, everything's in the open here. Looking forward to start trading on the live account. Okay, Kennedy, good. Okay, why do you only send a 9 in the morning? Why don't you send for New York session also? That's a good question. I think we might start to do that. Because when we started, especially people that started with us at the beginning, we actually started with just this GBP USD. Only GBP USD. That's what we did. And only this box. And your question is very good, because someone asked me that same question, I think yesterday or today on Telegram, that why do you choose only GBP every day? Why only cable every day? Why don't you show another example? I just told the person that the only reason I do that is just for consistency's sake, because we started using GBP USD. Suddenly, if I change to USD Canada, or people might say, oh yeah, it's going wrong for GBP USD, and now we are switching to another pair. So I've been using the same pair from day one. Okay, just to show people that sometimes it will work and sometimes it will not work. So if I cherry pick and pick GBP today because I know it works, tomorrow I pick EuroCAD because I know it works, tomorrow I pick GBP Chef or Euro Dollar, that will not be good. So we need to be straightforward. So that's a good point. It's something we can look at maybe in the future, to look at the American session and Asian session, especially Asian session, because I think we okay. Anybody wants to see something? USA 30. Okay, let's say USA 30, because I wanted to jump. I quickly want to jump into JP225. Let's do US 30. Okay, we'll be closing shortly. Okay, so if you have anything, pop it in quick. Oh wow, ladies and gentlemen, why is our box always at the bottom, at the turning point? I have been asking that question few times, ladies and gentlemen. Is it coincidental, or have we got a strategy that is great here? I will leave that to you to judge. Okay. I will let you be the judge of that word. Okay, so you asked for US 30. Here is US 30. All right, so here definitely you make your TP1, then you move to US session. Okay, US session, you make your TP1, maybe TP2 and TP3. Don't forget, you still have your Asian session, which is here. The Asian session, which is here. Asian session TP1, TP2, maybe TP3. So you have 3 TPs here, 2 TPs there, and 3 there. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. And what is the TP value? The TP value is the size of this box, which is, let's just say 147. Let's say 150. So you have 150 3 times here. That's 450. You have 150 3 times here. Oh, no. It's not going to be 150 because the size of the box is different for each session. Okay. So the size of the box for the Asian session is this one. So you multiply it by 3, which is 150. You measure the size of the box for this one. I think you get TP1 and TP2. You measure the size of the box for this one. You get TP1 and TP2 as well. Great stuff. Anybody wants to see something else? Oh, somebody wants to see gold. Gold is our friend. Okay, and China, 50. Okay, you have been asking for China. But the question is China here? Oh, yes, China is here. Good. Good. This is China. All right. This is China. Is this China today? This is China today. All right. Okay. So China today, this is the box here. Okay. So for China today, you are not going to make much from Europe session. But for China, you can make TP1, maybe TP2. I don't know whether up to TP3 on on American session. Asian session just disappeared. Who else want to see something else? So you want to see SAU USD? Is that gold? SAU USD. This one is a gold. It's a gold medal. Who won the gold? Who won the gold today? Who won the gold today? Oh, who got the gold? Who got the gold? All right. So for here, you are going to make a lot of TPs. You are going to make TP1. Probably TP2 if it's not up to 3. That's Asian session. You move to Europe session, right? You move to Europe session. Here you will probably take one stop loss, right? Because you got to trade here, sell, it hit your stop loss, and so what? Because here you are going to make it back. So you can make your TP1 here, and when you go to America, all right, American session. American session, yes, you will go into a sell trade here and you probably hit your stop loss, fine, but also you're going to make your TP1 and TP2 and it's still ongoing. So the market always give you the opportunity to trade, and if you do hit your stop loss, which is not going to be strange or something that we haven't seen before, you have chance to make it back. You are not chasing the market, you are just following the rules. Okay, any questions, anybody? Good evening from Nigeria, you're welcome. Yes, you can trade with FSTM. Any broker is fine, but if you want to use our broker, my broker, and you want to sign up under myself, you know, because I've been using this broker for many years, withdrawal is so easy, and they will pay you your money with if you make a withdrawal request before 12 o'clock their time, you will get it the same day. You get your money in your account same day. But if you make the withdrawal after 12 o'clock, it will be the next working day, the next business day. So IC Market, so you can click that link and join the IC Market, because they are very good broker and they are regulated as well. They have a fantastic spread. Okay, anybody wants to see anything before we go? Forex is good. okay, good. Welcome, Tammy. Welcome. Finally, anything else? Well, okay, you know, we used to do this JP225. Let's do it. All right. JPP225, we haven't done it today. Okay, so for JP225, you probably go into one buy trade here, which you will be stopped out, but you will then make your TP1 and TP2, which more than cover whatever you were stopped out at. Here you make your TP1 for Europe, and here you will definitely make your TP1, TP2 for American session. Somebody say pips galore, right? Pips machine. Should we change the name from SBS to Pips machine? Yeah, SBS Pip machine. The easiest pip machine in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to knock off very soon. It's been great talking to you. Be on the lookout for the yourtradementor.com. It's coming very soon. Get ready. As I said, I'll make it very easy for everybody to become member, to join, because you haven't seen anything yet. Okay, you are only seeing something in I showed you already on Telegram. You're only seeing this result, But when you come into that group, you are going to see absolutely good results, because when the system is so simple to follow, you will not make mistakes. Okay, and let me tell you, this is not going to be the only system that's going to be traded there. There will be other systems that will be traded. Okay, thank you so much, everybody. It's very nice. Okay, let me check how many are in the Telegram group before I close. Okay, because we said somebody's going to make us up to 800. Now we are 807. So just this night only, we've had a lot of a couple of joiners. Okay, so good stuff. You can invite your friends to join, because people here, they are really serious about their forex career. Any questions before we go? Please read your comment. Okay, you want me to read your comment. IC market does not accept Namibian citizen. Oh, wow. Why not? This is crazy. Okay, anybody know which broker do accept Namibia? Okay, you know what, Sam? Come on the Telegram group. Are you on the Telegram group? Because I'm sure there will be a lot of people from Namibia on the group. Okay, so when you come over there, just ask that question. People will answer you, because I don't have answer to everything. A lot of intelligent people, they are there. They will answer your questions. Thank you very much, everybody. It's been good. How do you set this up in TradingView? Okay, so this is just for MT4. Okay, it's for MT4. For TradingView, I'm sure if you search the internet, you will find a session indicator for TradingView. All you got to know is how do you set your time. Okay, so to set your time, in fact, one more reason why you should come to the Telegram group. Let me show you quickly before I go. All right. One more reason is every morning. Okay, every morning I come on Telegram group, and okay, actually it's there on the pin message. I'll pin a message here. Okay, let's read my pin message. Okay, no, this is the old. I'm talking of the message I pinned earlier today. Okay, so let me quickly rush to the message I pinned earlier today. If I can get there. Page up. All right, my message today, if I can get here quick. So every morning I come on board. Okay, I think I passed it. No, that's not my message. So I come on board every morning. Yeah, no, that's not mine. I come on board and paste and show. Yes, this is it. So I come on board every morning. I show a chart like this. If you look at the time I post the chart, it's just immediately the box is formed. You can see this is today. Immediately the box is formed. I will post this chart on Telegram. So the reason I'm doing that is so that you guys, that you are not so sure where your box is going to be, once you see my chart and you see the box as just complete, all you need to do is do exactly the same on your box, on your chart. Just put your box or your time at that moment. So this was posted early today. We do not know what GPP will do at that time. And now let's see what GPP has just done. Compare that to what GPP has just done. All right. So when we did the box, we were here. All right, so we were here. Look, let me just expand it a little bit. So when we did the box, remember, this is the same message. This is the same message. That is it. So we were here. We are coming down here. We form here, and this candle, this is the only candle that we saw in my chart. If you remember. This candle is the only one we can see, right? This candle. Okay, that candle is the only one we can see at the time. So I draw the box and I put the lines. So you can do exactly the same thing in Telegram group. Okay, so but what happened after that is story. What happened after that is story. So I'm not posting GBP so that you can trade GBP. I'm posting GBP so that you can draw your box. So you can drop your box on any chart you want and monitor it. So I know a lot of people do GBP, Japanese yen, or Euro, New Zealand, US card, Aussie dollar, anything you want to put it on, and monitor it. Okay, we have a lot of audience today. I'm telling you, we have a lot of audience and we are growing bigger and bigger every day. Jesse, oh, you're special. I will do it for you. Okay, I wanted to close my shop before, but because Jason has said he wants to see USD Japanese yen, we're going to do it before I close my shop. Okay, right. Okay, so this is USD Japanese yen today. All right, so if you do Asian session for USD Japanese yen, you do well, because here, as you can see, you certainly make your TP1 up here, TP2 up here, and then you're out of the trade. You wait for Europe session. Euro session will put you in here. Let's say Europe session put you in here. The good thing about starting early is, even if you don't make your TP1 in Europe session and you are in the trade already, you can go and make your TP1 on US session. So if you are in US session, you can make your TP1. Great stuff. So, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like the party doesn't want to go home. The party has just started and we don't want to close the party. But ladies and gentlemen, we have to close the party. We have to close the party tonight, and we have to move to Telegram group where the discussion will continue. So I shout out all the Telegram veterans, because we can't do that without those veterans there that are answering questions. A lot of you guys are answering fabulous questions there. So well done everyone answering questions. Robert, you've been good. Mark, you've been good as well. Who else? So please ask question and people will answer you. Sandele also has been good. It's been good there. Ade has been fantastic. People are joining us, and we are growing because you are helping. If you read all the comments, there's nobody putting anybody down. Nobody is looking down towards anybody. Everyone has been helpful. So keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up, because I want to go tonight. I'm going now. All right. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. So here I'm going to leave you with let's say which currency pair, something that we haven't seen today. Okay, all right, let's leave you with this one. This is Aussie Japanese yen. No, so I'm going to leave you with Aussie Japanese yen and see the story of Aussie Japanese yen today. So the story of Aussie Japanese yen today is that you make your TP1 TP2 in Asia market, you make your TP1 in Europe market, and in US market you make your TP1 TP2 TP3 and probably TP4. Thank you so much, everybody. Good night. Collins, are you just coming? Oh, okay. Okay, starting hour is 9 to 10. Okay, I'll show you the indicator. Finally, I'll show you the time. 2 to 3 for Asia, 9 to 10 for Europe, 13 to 14 for American session. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. The shop is now closed. Good night, everybody. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Where the link to Telegram channel. Okay, before I say goodbye, I need to help one more person with this Telegram group. Okay, there we go. We are helping everyone. All right, and that's it for tonight. That's it from me. I'm signing out now. Thank you so much, guys.